Hello everyone, today we're talking about how to get unlimited amount of gems and passes in Episode. As you can see, for my mobile devices, this application Episode++ is already installed, and this application allowed you to generate unlimited amount of gems and passes in Episode. And this video tutorial I will show you step-by-step tutorial how this application works. Okay, enter amount of gems and passes as you want to generate for your account. I enter this number because why not? The next step is press button next, and now as you can see our gems and passes is already generated. So way to complete of this process. Okay, it's actually open our account and everything is already generated for my account. Now I get unlimited amount of gems and passes in Episode because this application Episode++ is already working for Android or iOS devices. So how to get this application for your mobile devices? To get Episode++, go to comment section, find pinned comment with another video. I will show you step-by-step tutorial how to install this Episode++ for your mobile devices. Enjoy and thank you for watching.